Hey everyone, look at that. We got our Vermont mountains in the distance. We're in the Barre, Montpelier area, which is the state capital. Still some snow off in the distance too on the mountains. A balmy 57 degrees. I'll be back with you guys in a few minutes. Well, 2 hours to me, but a couple minutes for you all. I'm going to meet up with Chip, who's the vice president of the BMW Motorcycle Owners of Vermont. Newly elected vice president this year. I'm on the board as well, just as a board of director, not as a executive director role. My first year, I want to dip my toes in slowly, but Chip has agreed that I would make a good co-chair for the Green Mountain Rally this September in Camp Thorpe / Goshen, Vermont. When we come back, I'm going to talk more about it. About the rally and what's going on this year. So stay tuned. All right, we're back at 6:34, so it's been actually a little over 2 hours since Chip and I met. Hello, everyone. That was a fun time. I was going to start off with that. It's the first time Chip and I have sat on one-on-one and really gone over the finer details and kind of micromanaged all the things we have to work on to get this event off the ground. I'm so lucky that he has done a lot of the things that I hate doing, like filling out town permits and insurance forms. I had warned him in advance that I'm going to be the whole week and weekend will be rally for me, and so he's aware that he's doing most of the prep work and that I'm going to be there doing the stuff. But now that we've actually talked, I have a whole bunch more things to do in the next few weeks, which is really good. It's very good stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a few of the aspects of the Green Mountain Rally of 2019. Just know all of this is subject to change. I don't want you to think that everything I'm saying is written in stone. But I like sharing this kind of stuff because if people are going to the rally and they comment on this video, it'll help me kind of decide what to do. So hey, if you're coming to Vermont in September, please come. We're all volunteers. We're not making money on this, but I'd like to meet all of you guys, and girls. So please come. We've got an excellent chef. I think we're going to be doing. We're going to be going back to the 2010 menu, which was a really good menu, like baked ziti, roasted turkey, maple syrup and pancakes, and egg souffle. One of the nights is mac and cheese as the side, bread every day, all you can drink coffee. There's going to be beverages, desserts with every meal. So we're feeding people, volunteers get fed Thursday, and we're feeding people for Friday night, Saturday morning, Saturday night, and Sunday morning. So the $70 or whatever the ticket will cost will go to all your meals, which is great. Don't show up till Friday though. Thursday's just volunteers getting set up. And 2 musical guests. The first night is going to be like a bluegrass band, live band. We're getting all the music equipment rented now. It's going to be great. We had them bringing their own equipment last year. It was a little bit too much weight for them, so we're going to be getting our own this year. And we're also on Saturday having a French-Canadian band up, which can sing in English and French. So all of you that are from Canada, if you loved the band last year, don't worry, they're back. And I personally loved the music on both nights last year. So, I can't say enough good things about it. That's booked now. And bonfire will happen again. I'm trying to do bonfire 2 nights in a row. I don't think it's going to happen. Obviously, there will be cabin rentals again for people that want to rent cabins. But cabins can go to members of the BMW MOV only. So if you're not a member of the MOV, it's $20. You should consider joining. Our puppy dog ride is coming up in a couple of weeks. There's the Lake Carmike camp out, the dual sport drive-in, a rib event, breakfast every month. So if you're in the New England area, consider joining the MOV, and you'll be able to reserve a cabin, which will be nice. Well, first come, first serve. Looks like Harley's getting ready for some MSF courses tomorrow. Yeah. What else? So, let's see. Oh, sorry, I lost track for a second. There's too many beautiful Harleys. I really love the look of Harleys. It's not my style to ride one. sorry, this guy's turning here. So, I myself have taken up getting all of the giveaway stuff. Well, not all of it, some of it. So we always, every year we try to have Aerostitch, Max BMW, and a few other companies involved. I have reached out to some of my companies that I'm really good friends with. So we have sponsorships from Alt-Rider, Clearwater, Touratech, and Wolfman. I think that's it. I think I reached out to Twisted Throttle, but they didn't get back to me. We're also going to try to get Frank's BMW in Vermont to help us out. But the ones I just listed there out loud are the ones that are confirmed. And Aerostitch I think is a home run, but it's not confirmed. I don't know them very well. I need to reach out to Climb. I'll reach out to Forma. And I'll reach out to Perfect Squeeze, Hondo Garage. Who else can I reach out to? I don't know. Who's on the bike here? I'll get some stuff for you guys. I'll make sure to get as much as I can for you guys. And these are raffle prizes. So Saturday night after dinner, before the band starts playing, those are raffle items. And everyone that buys a ticket gets a raffle ticket. Door prizes, this is all unconfirmed. As usual, you'll get a grab bag. There's definitely going to be stickers. There's definitely going to be pins with the GMR 2019 logo on them for you guys that are pin collectors. And there's definitely going to be magazines from Rider Mag, and the MOA magazine will be in there for you. I think you get to choose. If you're an MOA member, then you can choose one of the Rider Mags. Plenty of stickers. There'll be, I think, an MOA handout for free roadside assistance if you're a new member in those magazines as well. And of course stickers. I already said stickers, haven't I? We're thinking about two different things. Thinking about the neck koozie things, the socks that go over your necks that are, obviously keep you warm. I actually asked Clearwater if they could help co-sponsor those with us, so our logo and their logo go on them so we can share the cost. If not, we'll just buy them ourselves. And then we're also looking at custom coasters with either the maple leaf, the Vermont logo, or a cow logo. It's a long-running thing in the MOV of the cows. What else? Bottle openers and koozies, all kinds of stuff. We're looking at basically spending about $10 to $12 per bag on stuff for you that's free, that everyone gets, swag. And then you'll get, everyone will get a raffle ticket, have a pretty good opportunity to win something. And shirts. Shirts have always been an extra cost. The shirt design this year is so cool. I'll see if I'll put an overlay here on the video. Again, this is subject to change. They're not ordered yet. But when you go to buy a registration ticket, please buy a shirt. I'd like to actually make it where if like 80% of the people buy a shirt this year, that I will try to ask the board to make shirts a part of the fee next year. And then because we guarantee a complete order of like 250 shirts, we'll be able to lower the cost of the shirts, only slightly raise the cost of the entry fee. So instead of it being $70 to get in, it'll be $78, but you'll get a shirt, something like that. So I'm trying to use that angle when it comes to shirts. So please order one. You're going to love them. And volunteers will get a shirt for volunteering, but they'll have volunteer written in the back of it. One of the biggest things I'm going to work on this year is volunteer engagement. So everyone will have assigned duties before the event. Everyone will have a walkie-talkie, and everyone will have a volunteer shirt. So you will be able to know what you're doing. I'll be able to get in touch with you. It'll all work much smoother than previous years. And basically my job during the rally is going to be volunteer coordination and making sure everyone's on task, everyone's doing their job, and that all the attendees are having a great time. So if you want to volunteer, that'll be a separate item when you register. You can put your name in the hat to volunteer. We may not even need you, but it's good to be offering that up. So volunteers get a free shirt, I hope, subject to change. That's really it for the GMR stuff. I mean, we went through a whole bunch of fun stuff. Chip is great. He's the VP of the board this year. Muriel's once again president. She's been really supportive and great. She's told us to kind of make the rally our own. So there's a couple ideas we're floating out there. This is all unconfirmed. These are just ideas that we have. It all involves involvement from other companies. So we'll do our best to make this stuff a reality. But please don't hold me to this. One idea is having the Moto Vermont guys, Eric, bring some bikes down and actually sell a guided tour And basically the pitch of that would be that basically you reach out to Moto Vermont once you have your ticket and you sign up for the guided tour. At the very least, having Moto Vermont there to talk about what they're doing, sell some climb and some Wolfman stuff, and just sort of be present at the event. They do some really, really, really good guided tours. So if you haven't checked out Moto Vermont, check them out. If you're coming to Vermont for a couple of days, they do bike rentals and they do guided tours. So don't pass that place up. Also going to reach out to Zero Motorcycles and see if they will drop up some motorcycles from their local dealer for demo rides. Zero has their new SRF is out. I don't think that would be available, but we're going to try to get some Zero involvement as well. Do a bit more with either Max BMW or Frank's BMW in the form of some kind of something. I don't know. Depends on how receptive they are to it. Those two dealers are already so busy with summertime that it'll be hard to have them break away for a day, but we'll try. Also, I'm going to reach out to Peter, who has the really awesome blog. You should go check it out. Travels with Barkley. Sorry, Peter. I don't know if he watches these videos or not, but I'm going to email you in the next couple of days and ask you if you would mind doing a travel slideshow first on your Hannigan rebuild, which was so cool. The whole winter he tore his Hannigan down and rebuilt it from the ground up. Brand new paint job. It's really, really good. And also on your slideshow of future travels with your dogs. He has a new dog. I think Glenlivet is a new dog. He'll be at the MLA rally. It'd be great to have a slideshow presentation from Peter on that. And then there was one other thing we were going to do. Shit. I can't remember what it was. Anyway, try to get some more people there because, I found, this is my third GMR rally, but my 20th or 30th BMW-ish rally. And what I've noticed is there are people that are going to be up at fucking 6 a.m. They're on the bikes, they're gone. And you see them at dinner time, they're starving. Then there are some people that kind of lounge around, look for what's going on, and then, okay, I'll go putz around and I'll grab a guided route of the puppy dog ride or the notches, and I'll explore Vermont a little bit. And there are some people that just want to hang around all day and just kind of talk with their friends. And I think, giving them, after they drink their coffee and they started drinking their whiskey, give them something to do around the area with some shows and some talking points and some demos and stuff. Obviously not drinking and riding, but that would be a kind of nice thing, I think, for the people that are coming to the event. So, into my heated seat arms, it is 55 degrees. So I'm trying to kind of give people something to do during the Saturday day that don't want to go out and ride, especially if you've ridden up Friday and you're going home Sunday and you kind of want a day to not be on your bike. I think that'll be pretty cool, right? Look at this beautiful tree cover over here. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. So GMR 2019, I think the price is going to be either 70 or 80 bucks. Shirts are going to be, I think, an additional $12 or $15. I should have taken that road. Is it Connect Back? Probably. I'm losing light though. I probably should get home. The tickets will go on sale at some point in May. I'm hoping that means next week, but we'll see. And then for pre-registration, and that's also when you can book your cabin. And then, so if you're not a member of the MOV, go ahead and join now if you want to get a cabin. And then the actual rally itself is September 4th through 7th, I think, at Camp Thorpe in Goshen, Vermont. I know this seems like one big ad, but it's really not. No one's told me to do this video. I'm really excited to be a co-chair for this rally. Next year I may be the chair, who knows? But I'm still dipping my toes into this kind of stuff. It's not my first event I've done, but it's my first motorcycle event I've done. So clearly I'm just super stoked. So that's it, right? I think that's it. I'm going to go enjoy the ride now. I appreciate you guys watching. If you come to Vermont, New Hampshire this year and you're on your way up, please reach out to me and we'll chat. Go on a ride or something. It'd be nice to meet you guys. And I'll try to remember to post the link below to all of I've got a ride thread. So before I close out here, I'm obviously very active on Adventure Rider. That's the way you guys can catch all these videos and photos and backstories before the videos even go up, because I'm always publishing things a few days after I shoot them, because if I've got I usually have a video backlog of things that are queued up. But what I'll do is I'll link below to my 2019 day tripping thread, which really what it's going to be is it's going to be nice. It's going to be one thread for all of my rides this year. It's a good little twisty area to close out on too. One thread for all my rides this year. So basically, as I complete a rally or even a day trip or a weekend trip or an overnighter somewhere, I'll post there. Look at this water flow. We had some serious flooding last week too from all the melt plus all the rain. I'll basically post everything to one thread. So follow that on Adventure Rider. All the videos and pictures and kind of context we publish there. And I hope you guys will join that thread and sort of check it out and be a little bit more involved. And of course, post there that you're going to be coming up, and I'll make sure to see you. One more wave to a biker, and he was hauling ass. That's it. Rock on, guys. Ride safe. Thanks so much. Have a great 2019, and I hope to see you in Goshen, Vermont that first week of September. Later, guys and girls. Oops, crossing the yellow. Probably edit that out. Nope, we're going to own it. We're going to own it. All right, bye.